how long should I wait to file my divorce? If you're asking that question, quite frankly, my answer always is you need to file now. There's no reason to wait. Everyone thinks that there's some magical time in the future, whether it be before or after you get a bonus, before or after they get a bonus. They want to wait until the summer starts. They want to wait until after the holidays. They want to get it done right before the holidays. There is no magic answer. Every case is totally different, and the most important thing in most instances is the value of time. How much longer do you want to be in a situation where you are married and you do not want to have a relationship with that person? You shouldn't be with that person legally married for another minute, much less another week, another month, or another year. When clients finally do get around to hiring me to represent them, I shouldn't have waited this long. I should have done this a long time ago. I should have done it months or years before I even contacted you. So they understand, and you will only understand once you get involved in the process and begin the process and then complete the process, that it's something you should have done a long time before you actually did. I find that to be true in 95 to 99% of all the cases that I've ever handled. There's usually no reason to wait. The only reason why people actually wait is usually fear, and it's more fear of the unknown than it is anything else. There's usually no financial reasons. There's really no other reasons that are out there, but they're just scared about what may happen. And I understand that fear. That fear is real. And that fear is based on the lack of information. That fear is based on the unknown that's out there. If you have an experienced attorney that is going to talk to you about your situation and help you get through the issues that you have in your case, those issues that you had the fear about and that you were scared about, they'll start to fade away really fast because you'll understand the process and you'll understand what is more than likely going to happen. You'll certainly understand the full range of possibility that could exist in your particular case based on your particular facts. So, how long should you wait? If you want to try to reconcile, you got to have two people that want to do that. If it's only you that wants to reconcile, the other side doesn't, my experience tells me there's no point in waiting any longer. If the other person wants to reconcile and you don't, it's up to you whether you want to move forward or not, or whether you want to try to reconcile or not. I try to present it as a bottom line. What do you want to do and where do you want to be? If you want to be divorced and you do not want to be married, then the time to start that process is now.